Guys, today I wanted to show you this fantastic tree. It's called a Brachychiton Jerilderie Red. It's a grafted native tree, and I stumbled upon this tree because I was looking for a bushy green screening tree that would give me privacy from my neighbours, because I've got a new house getting built next door to me. And I found this tree, I planted it, it's grown 3 to 4 metres high in under 2 years, and it looks absolutely fabulous. What I love about it is the lush green leaves. The leaves are so shiny and green, and it also gets beautiful red Christmas bell-like flowers at Christmas time. The flowers are very unique and very unusual. And then I started to look into where this tree came from, and it was a very interesting story. This tree was discovered growing in Jerilderie in a primary school. And what happened, a girl called Maggie McDonald found a seedling in a parent's garden. She took it to school and planted it in the school residence. That was in 1880. And the tree has grown there. It wasn't until 1958 that an amateur horticulturalist realised that it was something different. His name was Walter Pyle, and he realised that this tree was very different. It was a new species, and turned out it was a cross between Illawarra flame tree and the Currajong tree, and both those trees are famous for their drought resistance, and also they get beautiful flowers on it. So this is a unique tree. It wasn't until 1983 that it's been registered and recognised as a unique tree, and you can now buy this tree, and we've got it in the nursery at Tim's Garden Centre. It's called Brachychiton Jerilderie Red. I love this tree. Check it out as my son pans back, just to give you an idea how big it is. In ideal situations, and the one that is 140 years old, it's 12 metres high and 10 to 12 metres high and 6 metres wide. Now, it's not going to grow that big in your garden, but it is an amazing tree. I love this tree. We should be planting more, and I'd love to see councils planting this tree more as well. So Brachychiton Jerilderie Red, a fantastic tree, and it stores water in its trunk, and that's why it can survive hot, dry conditions. Fantastic tree. And what farmers can do is they can chop the branches off when it does get dry and feed the cattle and sheep with it. The leaves are edible. How brilliant's that?